What if you could turn your expertise into an automated product that makes money for you 24/7? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using an SEO consulting service as our real-world example. I'm in my MindPal workspace now. The first step to building the AI tool is to give the AI a brain. To do this, navigate to the Knowledge Source tab and upload any file or link that contains your knowledge or proprietary information so the agent can access and learn from it. In this example, I don't have a file, but I'll assume I have a link from Google about SEO best practices. I'll upload this link here. Once the link is uploaded successfully, we move on to building and configuring the agent. Go to the Agent tab. I already have a folder where I've built an SEO consultant for SMB agent. I've set up the background and defined the desired output format for the agent. I also chose Gemini 2.5 Pro as the language model. Next, I'll assign the knowledge source I just uploaded so the agent can provide relevant consultations for users. I select the SEO starter knowledge source and update the agent. With the agent configured, we'll start building the workflow that users will interact with. Navigate to the Workflow tab and create the SEO workflow. In this workflow, there will be a user input node and a chat node where the SEO consultant for SMB agent is selected. This node will handle conversations with your users. Before moving to this step, users will need to pay $50 using the payment node. You can add this payment requirement by clicking the New Node button and selecting the Payment node. Now, I'll run this so you can see it in action inside MindPal. Let's click Start. Since I'm running the workflow inside my main MindPal account, the system doesn't prompt me for payment, but let's test the core workflow first before I demonstrate the payment step. The agent asks me to provide a website. Let's say I enter mindpal.io. It immediately starts the consultation, and you can further customize the workflow with more advanced steps, depending on customer needs or the package you want to offer. Now, the question is, how can you publish this to your audience? Navigate back to the workflow and click the Publish button on the top right of the screen. Publish it as an AI Power form. Let's open the link and click Continue. You'll see it proceeds to chat with the SEO consultant agent, but first, the payment screen appears. I need to pay to access the workflow. For example, I'll type in my email, proceed to payment, and be prompted to pay $50 to consult with the SEO agent. Ready to unlock the full value of what you know? Start building your own AI-powered product with MindPal now. Click the link below to get started, or subscribe for more step-by-step guides on turning your expertise into income. Don't let your knowledge go to waste. Let's make it work for you.